So the next project that we will be working on is a 1971 RUPP Scrambler and a 1970 RUPP Roadster. They do need work. They came with engines which need to be worked on, and some seat covers and exhaust pipes. So we're working on the motor and carburetor right now, and then we'll start working on the frames. So the carburetor was removed, taken completely apart, cleaned. It really wasn't that bad, so it did not need too much, but I did take it completely apart and cleaned up all the needles and the springs and the screws and the float and whatnot, and it works real well. So we did a disassembly. The Roadster is all taken apart, and the Scrambler is somewhat taken apart. All motors and parts are being cleaned, reconditioned a little bit and worked on. And then we'll start some reassembly once we get some cleaning done. So I've been degreasing and removing rust from a lot of the parts and a lot of the hardware and the chain, and hopefully when this all gets done we'll be able to start putting one back together.